Our vision at the tax faculty is to transform and empower the tax profession for a sustainable future. In recent years, technology and automation has replaced routine tax transactions and tasks. Therefore, to remain sustainable, you need to learn what automation cannot do. According to the 2022 Global Workforce Survey conducted by PwC, 3 of the most sought-after future skills and competencies are sense-making, novel adaptive learning, and virtual collaboration. Novel adaptive learning is particularly relevant in the tax education and is defined as the ability to come up with solutions and responses beyond that which is rule-based. We integrate these future skills into our learning approach by incorporating critical and reflective thinking via our virtual campuses. We utilize discussion forums to encourage peer-to-peer learning. Discussion forums are a resource used by lecturers and students to analyze, interpret, and support one another. Join the tax faculty to learn, unlearn, and relearn alongside a cohort of like-minded individuals and gain essential skills for the future of work.